Good day everyone, I'm Aaron Gabriel C. Juanino from BSIT 3L, and today I'll be presenting my assessment about form handling, validation, authentication, CRUD operations, and Google CAPTCHA in Laravel. In this presentation, I'll explain how Laravel helps maintain data integrity, security, and efficiency in web application. Each part of this assessment will show the important concept, some examples, and how these features can improve overall performance and safety of system. So let's begin with assessment 1. Form handling and validation in Laravel. System integration and architecture 1. Form handling and validation ensure correct and secure data entry. Laravel provides built-in tools for easy validation and protection from attacks. Importance of form handling and validation: maintains data integrity, ensures valid and consistent data, enhances security by preventing harmful inputs, protects against SQL injection, XCSS, and malformed data. Laravel security features: CSRF protection prevents fake form submissions, eloquent ORM prevents SQL injection, validation rules automatically sanitize inputs, middleware filters requests before they reach controllers. Creating a basic form in Laravel. Ito na yung example ng control. Andyan na yung mga code. Yan. Customizing error message improves user experience by giving clear feedback. Andyan na ang example codes, blade example. Yan. Centralizing validation logic keeps code organized and maintainable. Reusable validation for request classes, easier updates and debugging. Assessment 2. Laravel authentication and middleware. Role of middleware. Middleware acts as a gatekeeper, protects routes from unauthorized users. Example: AUTH middleware for login users. Laravel's authentication system handles registration, login, and logout, uses session token for active users, validates user input automatically. Security in login and registration prevents SQL injection with parameter binding, prevents the XSS using blades escaping. Laravel automatically sanitizes input data. Custom middleware examples. Yan na. Terminal, PHP Artisan, make middleware, admin middleware.php. Diyan na yung code and route. Diyan na yung PHP route, get admin controller class index. Scalability of authentication, use token-based authentication, e.g. Sanctum or passport managed sessions, efficiency with caching, reduce load balancing for high traffic. Assessment 3. CRUD operations in Laravel. Create operations. Steps: create public form, submit to controller, validate, and store in database. Example, andyan na yung code. Post create, request validated. Data validation and sanitization prevents invalid or harmful data. Laravel auto-filters inputs using validation rules. Read operation, controller. Andyan na yung post, yung blade, HTML. Makikita nyo dyan yung sample pictures. And update operation and delete operation. For the update operation, use to modify existing records. Dyan na, ensures validation before saving. Makikita nyo naman. And for the delete operation, ensures only authorized user can delete, and confirmation prompts. Yan lang. Post-delete validation helps avoid accidental removals. Assessment for Google reCAPTCHA integration. Purpose of Google reCAPTCHA: protects form from spam and bots, ensures real human users only. Getting reCAPTCHA keys, pwede nyong i-visit to, CAPTCHA admin, register your site and get site key and secret key. Update the menu when deploying to production. Integrating reCAPTCHA in Laravel, install package reCAPTCHA, add reCAPTCHA filter for store keys in nv.file. Kita niyo yung code dyan. Validating reCAPTCHA response controller. Diyan na din yung sample. And last, custom reCAPTCHA error messages. Improves user experience. Diyan na din yung picture ng controller code. CAPTCHA success, please confirm. Yun ang mga text. Yun lang po. Thank you.